Eager Beaver Award, Most Punctual Awardee, Award in Physical Agility with honors. Almes Andrea Jiwang Lee, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Andre Laksamana Palmes, future teacher, Great Giver Award, Tenacious Striver Awardee, Best Writing with honors. And last but not the least, Pineda Astrid James B., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Timothy B. Pineda, future firewoman, Eager Beaver Award, third place